Beautiful. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
Beautiful.
No, you weren't.
All right, guys, that's enough hike for me. I'm out.
Okay.
Oh, gosh. All right, guys, my legs sit.
Yeah, we're halfway done with the trail, right?
My legs gonna go out first.
My quads.
Plus or minus 2 minutes or so.
Minus. I'm going under.
You're not sweating already?
I took a very weird path to get there. All right, Joe's gonna take one of these marks on too, right?
Yeah, the big ones.
How about you?
I'm not afraid there. I'm just
Yeah, Rob, load one of these in the trunk. Why is the back right tire getting shredded on the highway?
Don't worry about it.
we're gonna walk down this.
Beehive is about making your own path.
Now you're just smacking things. Come on.
Show a little respect for nature. For nature. Oh, for nature.
For nature.
That's the same thing, Nick, in nature. Slamming that thing as well.
All right, so which one of these rocks are you taking home, bud?
I already have one. That's
I
the
don't
first
need two.
thing of Joey's priority list.
No, I'm talking about
rock.
like these.
We're
I'm
not.
taking one of these guys home,
Ain't
right?
no way.
Oh, there they
I
are.
gotta go
Okay.
up Beehive with it. Bring it back down.
So it begins.
Yeah.
Like I said, then you can be shooting. Classic Ray, no.
What? He's just walking.
Yeah, he's gone. He's just walking. I have not slowed my pace since he started.
He just kept going. Man, nature, you scared.
As Matt said, let's enjoy the hike.
I miss glamping.
Glamping? Glamping's good.
Where we pretend that we're outdoorsy people, but bring an RV. Guys, look! A rock! Don't make me laugh, I can't get energy.
Every breath matters.
I need to save it all for now.
I need breath to have energy, but it takes energy to breathe.
Quite a quarrel that you're in.
Yeah, same. Like, I think we did it, we have to do it.
No. I didn't.
He's a pile of rocks.
Right, everyone pay your respects to the rock pile.
Oh, hell, the rock pile?
They have a take a rock, leave a rock system.
Nah. Not this one. Are we in Little Rock? Mine? Yep. Here lies Joey. Well, we tried.
The grave of the unknown climber.
You know, that's like the grave of the fallen soldier. This is like the grave of the shitty hiker. Put me and Bono in there. What am I doing? They built the grave for you.
More seen ahead of time.
Nice. Some homies. That's some forethought right there.
We in the woods though.
nearly vertical.
Makes sense.
My man said 1 degree nearly vertical.
I love how often I've been like extremely confused by a text that I got an hour after it was sent.
No. It's against the ladder. Yeah, a little. Yep. What's in my bladder? You're saying the rungs are like ladders.
Oh. I almost feel like it's worse to do this.
Yeah, I mean,
That's what I'm saying.
like, I was eating the pancakes, I was like, oh, maybe I should have gotten like extra eggs or something. I was like, maybe I should have gotten eggs to like fuel myself for the day. Somebody's gonna be going off the pancakes and the syrup.
Right.
I'm not mad about it, but it's true.
I mean, I'm working off of bacon and eggs.
Huh?
The handle.
Why?
We hit the key, boys.
Okay.
Today's Saturday? Today is in fact Saturday.
Oh, let's go.
That's hype.
More like happier day than yesterday, am I right? Thank you. There's the beach we were at yesterday.
Oh, Crow. Really?
Yep.
I'll not tell you how many times thinking I thought you were a tree.
Is that man? No, that's a tree.
Oh, that is nice. That's the beach.
Yeah.
All right. There were black things there.
Those are people. Those are also me. My other bodies.
Are we flicking up over here?
We're doing something.
You're getting after it over
go.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Get that work in.
Let's go. No break. No days off.
No days off.
Let's go.
And now, rocks. In the moon there. This is actually so fucking cool.
Bears.
I could see how people
Die?
don't survive this.
Yeah.
Oh, you have not seen. There's parts where it's like, I have sweaty hands.
Okay, man, I get this.
You get it.
I finally get what you were saying in Texas with this. It's not as bad.
Yeah.
It's a little more treacherous, but it's not bad.
Yeah. It's either really not bad or extremely bad to a small percentage of people.
Right.
I'm going the Liam way.
Matt, you want to join this photo?
Yeah. Let's get a photo.
I feel like the hands up, especially at the arms top. He's up ahead. What?
When? How can that be?
Jack and Rob get in front of us.
Rob's here. Jack.
Rob's taking flicks. Okay.
Have you seen Jack?
I have not seen Jack.
I thought he went ahead.
Oh, we
No,
lost
he's still
the
back there.
groom. Oh well.
Yeah, he's still back there.
He'll find us. There's only one way to go.
Jack,
Okay, here, Rob, get ahead of me. I gotta put my battery away. No more charging my camera now. This is where the climb starts.
I do not like this. The fuck is that?
Liam, you waiting for Jack?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for Jack.
Good on you. I'm not, but thank you.
This is so cool. Matt, I appreciate you for this.
You're welcome.
So cool.
It was actually Jack's recommendation initially.
Was it really?
Yeah, he's like, I kind of want to go to Acadia. I'm like, let's do it, man.
This is sick.
Oh, I see that.
They're coming up. It's only terrifying if you want it to be.
All right, Matt, you got this.
Yeah, we got
Jump
this.
down, crash onto the tree, slide down like towards the jungle, and you're safe.
We'll get it all on camera.
There's a water slide on the other end, right? Facts. I'm in the way of wall footage. That is not something for you to be sorry about. Follower? Matt, do we have to climb back down the same way?
Unless it's closed like the other trail, there is a different way that's easier to get down, so we don't have to climb down here. Actually, the fact that we haven't passed anyone makes me think it is open.
Alright.
Because it merges with like the bottom of the mountain kind of, so we were passing people before. So I think we're good.
Alright, here's the moment where I'm going to be scared shitless.
Just remember, I'm here to catch you, Rob. And I might actually follow through if I have to. Just the jungle gym, my man. Like the waitress said.
Yeah, it is. No, why did you get that idea? I don't know. Oh, because an avalanche. Dad. Dad. I don't. Dad.
It's a gust.
Do you think?
How close are we to the top?
Yeah.
In my non-expert opinion, I'm gonna say somewhere probably a little short of halfway.
Okay.
It's not too high up, but it's gonna take a while because we're gonna be waiting in line.
That part I get.
Yeah. So I get charged now. Let's do that. You got this, Rob.
Monkey man it.
Yeah.
yesterday. They included
I have one of
tip,
those.
So we gave her a fat tip on top of a fat tip.
Oh, yeah.
So she better buy us drinks.
Yeah,
With all that money.
I figured that out.
She got treated well.
I was about to say that.
We all gave her 25.
I was about to say that woman got $200 out of me.
Yeah.
She's fine.
She's like, wow, they're the best.
Which is why she'll buy us a drink at karaoke.
Yeah, I wouldn't count on
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. Okay, she'll sing how this is how you remind me.
Yeah, she'll do it with you guys.
I bet she runs the karaoke and is trying to get a crowd.
Yeah, sometimes.
This is her second job.
Yeah.
Hey guys. Kind of high up.
A little bit.
Yeah, but we got a ways to go.
Do we?
No, I actually think. What do you think?
Probably about halfway.
Yeah, third of the way.
Yeah, we're not too far. Oh, definitely. I think we're definitely more than the third of the way at this point.
Guys, I'm serious. Sheesh. Look at this graph. Look at this graph.
Yeah, this tree's definitely been here longer than any of us were born. Were you waiting like in lines here?
Like a little bit, but not as much.
Was this the lunchtime timing you were talking about?
No. I was really like hoping that the forecast was going to dissuade a lot of people. I was really like, I bet it will, and no, not at all.
They kept saying it might rain. I was like, ooh, it's gonna get real exciting.
Dude, it's slippery, like, I hope it starts raining now. As we're on the
Am I
side.
just capping myself that I feel like I can get to where Ray is right now up this wall?
Yeah, you probably could.
You are Matt.
But you're not supposed to.
No,
No,
you
I'm
could.
not. I won't.
You absolutely could.
But I think physically I could.
Physically, you
definitely
definitely can.
Yeah.
It's actually
I don't
fun.
recommend it. I also think you can.
It's actually fun. It looks fun to do.
Yeah.
It looks engaging.
Because realistically, there's step.
Yeah.
No.
Wow, Ray looks so dreamy while he's climbing.
Hey,
Look
Ray.
at the beard. Joey.
Joey looks so dreamy while he's climbing. No comment. Can we just set up the base camp right here?
Yeah, just set up cots and
Dude, it
sleep
does
in
tempt
there.
me to want to go in the water. Just 'cause
Liam, imagine your cot like right there. Little campfire.
But also no privacy.
But also,
and
if you roll
exposure to the wind and
A lot of people walking 5 feet
Yeah,
past
everyone's
you.
walking right next to your. No, I would be grilling meat and selling them.
I'm not gonna lie, if you were homeless, this would be a great place to be homeless.
I would be grilling. But
sitting there with
that is
all
so
the
against.
park ranger.
That is couldn't be more against.
You get outrun
national
him. You'll
park
learn.
laws.
Learn to live off the land.
Dude grilling meat on the Beehive Trail, selling his skewers.
and then you gotta brand it. Get a little honeycomb, a little honey and bread.
Who wants a little treat? Fried
New Jersey
raccoon.
mint burns down the queue.
banned from the state of Maine.
There we go.
And now, rocks.
Yeah, now
And steel.
Oh, I wanted to ask you the question because I feel special right now.
Will you marry
Looking at
me?
These. I mean, duh, but that's not the question.
Oh, my bad. My bad. That was
I left the
preemptive.
ring
I'm
at
sorry.
the house, dude. Don't spoil it. No, how do they get that shit in the actual stone face?
This is nature formed this over millions of years. What are you talking about?
They have a really hard drill and then they grout it.
It's literally like kitchen grout, or is it like a metal
No,
stone fused thing?
no, it's probably just like really high strength grout. Like just normal. Not, I wouldn't say Christian grout. No, it's higher strength.
Did they just grout bubble rock on the side of that?
Yeah. No, I would hope that house and steel reinforced.
I love that you can look at all the branches and see where everyone
Hand grabs.
hand
It's
grabs.
smooth.
'Cause it's so smooth compared to the rest
Yeah,
of
the
the
hand grabs are smooth.
We're actually, Rob, we're coming up on the section. I'm pretty sure that I took that video in, so get ready.
Cool. So I'm gonna die soon.
Yeah, yeah. Count the seconds.
But the thing is
Say your final word. Thank you.
Oh, you got
You
him,
did
man.
such an amazing job. That's exactly what I wanted.
Yeah, I mean, you told me this is what you wanted, so I just kind of did that.
You told me.
You made it pretty easy.
Tell me what you want.
What you really, really want.
Oh, tell me what you want. What you really, really want.
I wanna. Just
I
chill
want a
right
new
here.
walking stick. William.
What'd you say?
I want a new Gandalf staff.
Oh man, me too.
I have a photo of this tree. That's the one. I had it as a phone background for a while. It's a little bit Lion King if you didn't know where it was.
It is on.
Exactly.
It's kind of like
just the right amount.
Just the
the
right
Pride
amount.
Lands.
Yeah. There are lions in these mountains.
Is this the park?
Yes.
You know the noise.
Yeah, this is the one.
Rob, you want to lead?
Hey Rob, we're here. We're at that video.
Oh, turn the GoPro on.
Oh, it's on. It's been on. This is the fun part.
Jack, be careful.
Jack, be careful. I don't trust his fingers bending. It's not like that.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like watching some of this shit. I'm like,
I'm good.
Jack is a finger bender, guys. He's the last finger bender.
phrasing? I don't know if that exactly fits here, but phrasing.
Yeah, like it could.
When the world needed him most, he vanished.
He broke his fingers.
That is what we were.
I saw one where it's like Sokka water or guitar waterbender, Aang airbender, Zuko firebender, Toph earthbender, Sokka backbreaker, and it's just all the girls that he hooked up with in the whole show. Backbender.
It's only two though, right? One is the moon,
There was one oh yeah, it's only two, you're right.
and the other is, wait, who's the Kyoshi warrior? What's her name?
Suki.
Which is moon in Japanese.
But it's S-U-K-I, not T-S-U-K-I.
How do you spell her name?
Like,
Oh, it's just S-U-K-I?
yeah, her name
Oh,
is
okay.
S-U-K-I, but Suki is
Oh, I see. It's similar though.
Yeah.
It's well, her name is
you gotta
like,
type.
so that's a little on the nose actually.
Yeah, I do want to do that.
The bench. You mean the small wooden bridge that's keeping us alive?
A mid-air bench.
All right. Well, Shay, if anything goes wrong and you see this, just know that I did not condone this.
She's gonna see the YouTube video.
Oh, my leg.
All right, Jack. Now give me a look real quick.
Nice, that's a good photo.
Good.
That's adorable.
Good one. Careful.
Anyone else want one?
Yeah, let's do it. I'll do one. I'm probably gonna get a million ticks on my leg, but. All right.
Here we go. I got you.
Nice.
Very nice.
Like it.
All right, you're good.
Cool, thank you. Whew, gonna recline
Back there. I'm like so zoomed.
on the edge of the world.
I don't condone this.
Nervous.
Nah, I don't condone that.
Condone what? Leaning back?
No.
That
You gonna do
honestly
some
is
leg
making my
stretches?
heart Dude, stop! Just fucking clumsy. It's making my fucking heart race. Doing a goddamn core workout.
In the edge of the world.
Do 20 burpees.
Yeah, that's the burpee spot. They call it Burpee Bridge for a reason.
Burpee bridge.
It sounds like a door I was passing.
First we go over Burpee Bridge.
Burpee bridge.
That sounds like a rejected Candyland location.
Rejected Candyland. How does that have to do anything with candy, guys? Who told you this?
Soda.
Oh, burpee soda.
Yeah, soda.
There you go.
Oh gosh.
That was a chop.
Was someone just murdered?
I thought it was a duck.
That is a cocaine duck if I ever.
Cocaine bear.
Of course.
Oh gosh.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Rule of thirds. I got you.
Thank you. How are you, child?
Did someone get like really hurt? I hope
It
not.
doesn't sound good actually. But the fact that it's still going, I'm kind of worried.
Yeah. Oh, we're ready.
Yep. I'm gonna take a lot.
Oh, look at this guy go. So skillful.
Wait, no, one more.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you so much. You guys go ahead.
Okay.
Are you sure? We have a big group, so.
No problem.
Thank you.
It's been a while.
I'm landing myself up right now.
Love it.
He's so talented. Jack, it's almost like it's your birthday.
Nice photo.
Karaoke guy.
That's spooky karaoke. All right. I was getting your better side behind you, but
No more
look at these
screaming,
guys.
right?
I took a selfie on this with Eric behind me.
There's no more blood curdling screams.
That's either a good or a bad thing. I'm not sure.
Good?
Don't worry, Rob. It's over quick if you mess up. Oh, look at him go.
Oh. Got it, Rob. Good job. Good looks.
Doink. Doink.
Thanks for water bottle.
Liam, you're the noisiest hiker. No, I'm kidding. It's musical. It's beautiful. Okay.
Not really, but I'm pretending like I am.
It gets crazier, right?
Just remember, letting go is not an option, and suddenly it's a little easier to hold on.
Don't worry, I'm for 5 minutes. Hey. Let's go. I love how Robbie went so chill with those.
Rob, only real men cry on this trail, so it's okay.
Oh, so I'm good if I just start like having a breakdown.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
means you officially been Beehive.
That's called the sting of the beehive.
Guys, at the top, there's a swarm of bees.
Yeah, you just get stung and you have to run back down.
Great, I'm allergic to them. Let's do it.
Yeah, you have to run from the bees at the top and do the same thing.
You have to go back down.
You have to go down to go up.
You have to go back down Beehive twice as fast as you got up here.
Swarmed by bees.
Oh fuck. Okay, this isn't it? This is sane. This is okay. See, there's more space.
Ladder we got going here.
Look at this.
Holy shit.
Great
I
job,
knew this was a
Liam.
horrifying idea. I mean, great idea.
You're
Shorty squad.
You're just showing your undying affection for me.
I love Jack O'Driscoll. If he wasn't marrying Shannon,
That's
I
why
would
you're
marry
here.
him.
No, I would, okay? You wait in line.
Jack, you're good with open relationships, right? You know, just one day when somebody pisses you off, go to the next one. It's good.
We're gonna lose Liam and be like, where is he? And then we're gonna hear dong, dong. He's coming.
Try not to hit it, but sometimes it's
It's just your signature hiker's call. But it's, never mind.
What?
I was gonna stay there, but
Why?
it's not worth it. I was gonna get a photo, but I don't think it would work.
I mean, it's pretty dang nice here.
It is.
Wait, Liam, do you have your phone out?
I can. I mean, oh, it's okay.
Sorry, Jack.
Oh, I got you. I got you, fam.
Got it?
Thank you.
Yeah, zoom in so you can see the beads of sweat on Barlow's
Hey, everyone, look.
And see the fear in my eyes subsequently as well.
There we go.
I hope you really captured that feeling of
Oh, it's there. It's it's very evident. Also, Barling, there are children on this trail. Shut up.
Sorry.
No bad words.
But I could say bad word number 11, right? Like, that's fine.
If you say, like, literally say bad word number 11, it's okay. You can, like, fall down later and be like, bad word number 11! All right. How we doing?
All my children safe.
We're alive.
We are. Phaser. Laser. My consigliere, Michelle.
Let's go, Jack. The road less traveled.
Yeah. See you later, Jack.
Leads to a dead end.
I guess you just are stuck there now.
Robbie looked at him like, yeah, I'm not doing that.
There's a group.
It's easy, right? Like, it's not hard at all.
How are we doing?
It's not hard. Yeah, it's like that. That's what I said.
You guys hear
Anybody struggle?
that little girl maybe
I almost shit
dying?
Oh, we heard
Somebody
you.
That was horrifying.
I almost shit my pants a little bit. It's all right.
Like, who's screaming bloody murder down there?
That would be me.
We were all a little nervous, and then we heard the curdling scream, and we were like, "This is not bad."
I could be a big baby about this, but happy birthday. Did you change your pants?
Happy birthday, Grimace!
Full outfit change.
No, but
It was hot, man.
I know. He bought extra shorts. I did too.
Abby, are you okay? Have a headache or anything?
Yeah, this part's not so bad. Honestly, it's gonna be easy until we start going down.
Yeah. Uno going down would be the hard part.
Okay.
Well, I think going up was harder, but from here on out, I mean. Actually, maybe not. Going down is probably gonna be exhausting.
I just laughed.
Now that I'm thinking about how that goes.
Robbie's total shift. He was having so much fun. He's like, "What am I doing?"
Yeah. He's had a brief moment that we're all gonna forget about. Things were a little less fun, but we're safe now.
And that's all that matters. You know how many strangers have said happy birthday to me?
Yes.
4 different occasions.
You just gotta get up in the front and we just say, you know, telephone, say happy birthday to Jack, and pass it back.
Get you a shake.
This guy gets it.
Dude, you just gotta play a game.
That way. Somewhere. There's no way to know. I put my arm out for the bird coming fly.
Sergeant was like this, he said?
Oh, the beginning part, yeah. Except worse.
Yeah.
Anthony, you just saying you want to do it again?
I respect a mountain called Sergeant. It's a powerful name.
Fucking Pepper's lonely hardcore.
I know it's worked out.
This feels like we're coming down from Mordor.
Yeah. No, you don't come down from Mordor, you fly off on eagles.
You get the eagle medevac out.
Yeah. Right here. Only here.
Centralized.
Yeah. I have some photos here from last time.
Yeah, I want to take some.
Is it a good spot? You want some?
No, just I want to take like. Actually, I want to take a photo too.
Yeah.
No, I got a piece of pink granite from the first mountain. Oh no, I'm taking a rock.
Beauty. Beauty.
Wait, let me get one.
I want you in it too.
Damn, you guys are tall. Watch this.
I still feel short next to Matt.
Thank you, Liam.
My best man.
Selfie.
My best man.
Selfie time.
Nice.
We had practice on tag. Yeah. Why? It's like a full scale.
Yeah. Shoot. Yeah. Jack, run fast and take chances.
That's the cot space. The what space?
Yeah, this is a cozy little area.
Oh yeah, that's that area? Yeah. That's the barbecue spot. That's the place where you sell your wares. Yeah, at the end. No, the safest would probably be at the top. Because
Yeah.
there's like no trees, just on the rock face.
Yeah, no force lights.
Yeah. Or floods.
Yeah. Very nice.
They went that way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we go that way.
I was just curious.
Wait, what is the bowl?
That's another trail.
Oh, it's a branch off.
It's a different type of high trail.
Is there a purple carabiner somewhere? As long as I have it. You see one?
On you, not from here. I can't see one. Turn around.
Oh, I got it. I'm sorry.
Oh, you got
It's in
it?
my pocket.
Oh, cool,
My
cool.
bad. Alright, cool. I'm gonna black it.
We're catching up. We got this. Whew.
Anthony Baloni. Technique, Anthony. That's that China man.
It's a very Irish technique.
make sure that arms are ready to fall just in case. Don't keep the arms up on the way down if you're going.
He's just halfway through clap behind the back push-up, that's all. I remember this part being the most treacherous, honestly. Like, it's really deceptive.
Honestly, this is where my legs get the most workout.
Yeah, and it's like kind of easy to slip, like more than you would think.
Well, it's because everything's a little dusty and dirty too.
Yeah.
It's not just solid rock.
You should hire a cleaning crew.
Yeah, they really should.
Clean these rocks.
Yeah, they don't really care about this park, do they?
No.
Trees help.
And our tax money still goes.
Yeah, right? What's that about?
You gotta hire a cleaning person. Yeah. Hello.
Uh-oh, we lost Jack. Here's our guy.
I just don't want to run on the rocks.
Yeah, that's fair. Proceeds to run on the rocks.
Slightly pressure to catch up, runs on the rocks. And
Yeah, I guess so.
Your body gets in front of your legs.
this is letting momentum kind of plays me this time.
Yeah, makes it easy. Thank you. Have a safe hike.
Speeding behind me.
Friend or foe? Yeah, we could do Otter Cliffs Creek. What is it? Yeah, that's nice.
Still have what, like 2-3 hours before the rain?
Oh, we have a while. Yeah,
Yeah, it starts at like 5.
Yeah, we should definitely do those two things.
that'll be nice. Yeah, that's really cool because that's right on the shoreline.
It's not a hike. It's like pretty steps to it.
It can be a little bit of one if you make it into it because you're kind of cliff climbing.
Yeah.
But it's more like chill and hang out and look at water.
Sandwich time.
It's a place
It's sandwich time. You're right.
It's a place to eat sandwiches. Nobody really can.
Wow, that was a missed opportunity for us, Liam.
Like, this doesn't feel that different from like the South Mountain Rest.
All right, Jack. Sorry we couldn't find an impressive enough place for you.
Yeah, Jack.
That's not what I meant. You know
Feels like
that.
they're in South London.
No, but I'm feeling nostalgic right now
Yeah, yeah.
after the rock climb.
I know you mean.
Sorry we couldn't get bubble rock off the mountain for you. For your bachelor party.
Yeah. There's still time. We can take it home. We'll fit it in your car.
Oh, it definitely could fit.
I mean, it's a perfect road trip car after
We'll tie it on top if we have to.
Well, that's where it's going. You got to pop open the sunroof so that that little portion sticks in so it doesn't fall.
Oh yeah, wait. You park your car at the bottom of the hill. Then we push it. It lands on top. We strap it down right home.
Good skipper.
I got a pretty solid chassis.
Yeah, that chassis can take a planet.
Maybe it's a little big, but sometimes they're good.
Oh, man. That one step was just like 2 inches lower down the others. Ow. I felt that in my back.
Oh,
Yikes.
The shooting pain is the worst.
Oh man. Well, I'm good. It's already passed.
Are you recording?
I am.
Oh, I can't wait to see that spot in the video.
Yeah. I was about to shut it off because I'm like, this is kind of just like not much of anything. I'll save the battery, but now I'm glad I kept it on.
This is where Max Souls is.
Yeah. I'll watch this in 30 years and be like, that's where I got a slip disc.
Just like, shut up, dude. I want to go.
Huh? Yeah, we burn a lot of calories. We gotta have some Pepsi when we get back.
Yeah, can't split all that.
Bro, on the way home, you gotta drink all the pepper.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna kill that Pepsi before we get in the car. I'm gonna have to buy new ones for the trip. That's the goal. Just funnel Pepsi. Yeah, that last night we went hard. We were all double fisting Pepsis. Pepsi's and Red Bull. That'd be a combo.
In my car, he's like, oh, I don't drink Pepsi that much. 10 seconds into the drive. You know what? I'll take one.
In college, before we drank, he and I did like Mountain Dew or whatever soda we had for the tasting games while everyone else was drinking.
Really?
It was rough. That much soda?
Yeah, that's actually... At that point, yeah.
Well, bubbly.
Ryan Rob kind of just take off.
Respect for anybody who have a late case.
And Cody? Is Cody?
I haven't heard of it.
Well, after all that, my watch finally was like, hey, are you exercising?
Like, hey, man, thanks for checking in.
Yeah. Yeah, we've only been walking for 10 minutes.
Yeah, exactly.
I couldn't help but notice. It seems like you might be exercising.
Do you need help with that?
Should I need to track that for you? Nah, just bought you for no reason. You burned 8 calories.
Yeah, Liam, there was a place for dinner that we could do. It's a little pricier, but it's a little bit nicer, and it could be our nice meal for the trip, if that's what we want to do.
We can do it either tonight or tomorrow. What do you think?
I'm thinking tonight, mostly because we may want to drink, we may want to, I don't know, like tomorrow might conflict with karaoke, and if we're doing a nice dinner and karaoke, we're not going to be in the best of shape to leave the next morning. Let's do that. Hey Jack, what are you doing in those woods? And we've completed the loop.
All right, let's go.
Well, one second, because Jack had to take a little detour, but.